Gather round and listen to my story. Listen while I tell a tale about a boy whose end was coming surely. Tempted by revenge, placing no one else before. He never keeping in mind the ancient phrase memento mori. This is the Genesis. Listen close, this is how the story goes about a kid named Dave, but all his homeboys called him Ghost. He always kept his distance and he never got close. Ironically enough, Dave calls his dad the Phantom, cause he was never around and Dave just can't stand him. It's kind of hard living single mom, poverty stricken, only 16, so he can't really make a difference. His mom says, Dave, listen, just pray and be a Christian. We're in a bad position, although your dad left, find it in your heart to forgive him, cause if you live to seek revenge, you're not really living. He says, you know what, I wish it was all a dream. I'm tired of being weak, nothing is ever what it seems. He didn't heed her warning, he vowed to kill him in his dreams. The scene begins at the witching hour when demons roam around looking for souls to devour. Raindrops rock the earth like a meteor shower. Ghouls go to corrupt the weaker souls to get power. The wails in his room just start to get louder. Dave awakes to the face of a shadowy figure that says,
I heard you wanna kill your dad, I'm the one to deliver.
Dave says, no, I was angry and that isn't true. The voice says,
let him get away with everything he did. Leave alone a single mom, a 4-year-old kid, and now he's living life with some other bitch. I bet he even forgot to live. Yes, I bet he did. Just join me and trust me, together we'll get rid of him. Rid of him, rid of him.
After hearing the shadowy figure speak truth, Dave becomes enraged and his soul just listen to. Then he asks the demon master what it is he has to do. The voice says,
nothing much, I want his soul and his life too. All you gotta do is point the gun and shoot, and I will pay him for all the hardships you and your mommy went through.
They thought about it once more, tempted by being greedy, and said payback is sweet, and so I welcome diabetes. Now let me pause the story right here. Now do you see these things we resort to when we believe that hope is depleted? Vengeance is tempting, it's true, but an eye for an eye and a tooth for a tooth makes the whole world go blind and mute. And if you consort with the devil, your end is absolute. Bachata con el Diablo, dancing to his evil tune, unaware that all you know is about to end soon. Forever dancing, ever slowly, eventual to your doom. Now let's resume the show, back to the dastardly duo. No, it's really just him, evil manifested within. The thunder streaking, he can't resist. The clouds as black as the sin that God knows Dave is gonna commit. This is it, they breaks open the back door right away. He cocks the gun as his dad pulls in the driveway. His dad walks into the house, what a mistake. They puts the gun to the back of his head and he exclaims, well hello dad, well how the fuck you been? I bet you been living the good life, cause I haven't seen you since about when I was 4 or 5, I can't really recall. But you didn't care if I was dead or alive at all. His dad says that's a lie. Dave says shut up when I'm trying to talk, cause I say you get no decisions, so no remarks. A dad's supposed to walk the walk, but you just talk the talk. So I wanna hear your bullshit story, now this is where you start. His dad just looks ashamed, says please let me explain. Although the things have changed, I still care for you the same. In the beginning you were my joy and my pride, no lie, but there was something eating me alive inside and it was never full. I was young and so I left, I know I never should. I tried to contact your mom and make this understood, but she didn't, and that is why I lost my privilege. They said shut up, cause I think I heard enough. Now I don't care about the rest, cause I don't give a fuck. You had your chance and now it's gone and I just want you dead. They close his eyes and pulls the trigger, shoots him in the head. All of a sudden the evil in Dave comes forth. Where's the wife? I said you can have the whore. The voice says,
have your own cost more than you can afford. You've all never had another, your parents never divorced.
Dave falls to his knees, remembers the deal made with the evil one. His dad dying says I'm sorry, I love you son. Then Dave starts shaking violently, realizing what he's done. He raises the gun to his head and then he screams, jerks up quickly as he awakes from his dream.
Or was it?